hold up, I am on my way. I'm in motion. Let's go to the ocean. Yeah, let's go outside. We can hang out on the beach without freezing. Yeah, isn't that amazing? In Christmas times, we'll be chilling and having a good time. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling.
Hey guys, what's up? Today I'm going to be sharing with you how I decorated our Christmas tree, and this year we did it all on a budget. Most of the items that you are going to see were either purchased on sale from Michael's, so if you missed that shop with me, I will have that linked up in the cards as well as down in the description bar, so definitely make sure to go check that out. Or I picked items up from the Dollar Tree because this year I really wanted to try something completely different, and I will say I even impressed myself. So I cannot wait for you guys to see how it all turned out. But before we head into the video, if you are new here, welcome. My name is Nia, and thank you so much for stopping by and checking out today's video. Please hit the red subscribe button down below as well as the bell notification so you never miss out on a future video. And if you're an oldie but goodie, welcome back. This year we decided to put up our fake tree because it's so much easier to deal with than a real tree. You don't have to worry about watering it or having pine needles all around the house. So that is what I'm doing right here. And the difficult part about using a fake tree is really just trying to make it look fuller than it actually is. So what I like to do is I literally take every single branch and twist it up, down, left, right, and fill in any little holes and gaps that I can see.
Real things up to knock 'em down. It's the way we keep our high, moving like a hurricane. There will come a time for when we can wash away.
Do you guys tend to go with a real tree every year, or do you like to go with a fake tree, or switch it up from time to time? I know for us, some years we go with a real tree, but this particular year we decided to put up our good old fake tree. Now it's time to put on our lights, and I did use about 6 boxes of lights. I really wanted the tree to look very full and light up. And a huge tip, or a secret little tip, is to plug in your lights as you're putting them onto the tree. This way it's going to show you any bulbs that might be out, so you don't have to worry about literally taking the whole entire thing down. This is just going to make your life a lot easier.
You're so different, kind of ignorant. You don't care what people say, people say, people say.
Now for the fun part, I decided to go with poinsettia flowers this year, and everywhere I looked they were pretty pricey, but I literally stumbled into the Dollar Tree and saw these kind of velvet textured ones, and for a whole bundle they were only $1, and I want to say there was about 7 of them in each bundle. So I picked up probably about maybe 5 or 6 bundles of them, cut them off, and that is what I'm doing right now, is literally just inserting them into the tree. I thought this would be really something nice and different to do for the holiday season.
We can wash away our sins, settle down, but until then, we're like a
Trying something new can be a bit nerve-wracking because you're not really sure how it's going to turn out, but I actually really love how everything turned out. The flowers were super easy to attach on. Sometimes I literally just stuck them in, and sometimes I literally did have to wrap them around each stem, but they were really, really easy to do, and not to mention they were only $1.
What happened to us? What happened to all the love we always took for granted? Are we stranded? Is it too late? Is it too late to color feelings that have faded? I'm waiting for an answer, waiting for a sparkle to
The next thing I decided to use was this mesh ribbon that I picked up from my Michaels trip, and I had watched so many videos on how to do this, and I was still a little bit scared as to how it was going to turn out, but it was really easy to use, and it really made the tree look so much nicer. So all I'm doing is literally just taking big bunches and stuffing it into the tree, as you can see I'm doing right here. And there's no rhyme or reason as to how I'm doing this. I'm just kind of going back and forth and seeing what I do like. And a little bit off camera, I did have to fix it up a little bit, but it turned out to be really, really nice. I also wasn't sure if one ribbon was going to be enough for the tree, but I did have a little bit extra. So in case that's something that you guys want to do, don't think you have to purchase more than one ribbon.
Breaking my heart, it's breaking my heart to see you acting like you don't care, like a nightmare. What happened to us? What happened to all the love we always took for granted? Are we stranded? I'm waiting for an answer, waiting for a sparkle to come, to ignite love. I need no second chances, I'm tired of romances without love.
When do you like to put your Christmas tree up? Are you somebody who likes to put it up before the Thanksgiving holiday, or do you like putting it up on Thanksgiving night? I know some people that's a tradition for them. Or do you like to wait a little bit later and at least let the Thanksgiving holiday pass? Let me know in the comment section down below. I would love to connect with you guys there. To the ornaments, and I picked these cute little glittered reindeers up from the Dollar Tree, and now I'm literally just trying to place them in any gaps that I see where there's not a poinsettia flower or there's not a ribbon or anything like that. I don't even think I got too many. I literally took what was left in the store, so let's say maybe about no more than 10 of them, but it was just enough because, to be honest, who really needs to decorate the back of the tree? Nobody is going to see that part. So I was literally just trying to find any little gaps, and that's where I added these reindeers into.
But if you treat me right, I will be the best girl in this whole world. No, I'm not gonna bite. I got my hands on your body, so tell me what you want me to do. I can be good or be naughty, because there ain't nobody love you like I
Okay, so the only thing left to do now is to put the Christmas tree skirt up, and I did need to run out to Target and pick up a new one because the old ones that we had just really weren't going to do it anymore, and I really want to share with you guys what it looks like. It is so cute. It's all red with these little pom-poms on it. This is what it looks like. It is so gorgeous, and I really think the red is going to tie in with the poinsettias that I had put up on the tree. So this is what I'm going to do next, just put this down, and that is really about it. Another thing that I didn't share with you guys on the video is putting up these silver ornaments. I just felt like the tree needed a little bit extra, and I didn't have any other ornaments to use, so I figured that the silver would really kind of tie in with the whole gold. I like the whole look of mixing metals, so really that's the only other thing that I ended up adding on. And yeah, so once I put the Christmas tree skirt on, we are all finished and ready to go. Thank you guys so much for stopping by and checking out today's video. Please make sure to give it a thumbs up if you enjoy. Subscribe if you haven't done so already. And I will catch you guys in my next video. Bye.